Cambodia.
Are you the
circus? No, I mean I'm just doing it for fun. It's a circus, jump rope, acrobatics.
I tried this game before when I'm a kid.
Yes, exactly.
Adult student, right?
Exactly, students. This is a river to Tonle Sap.
Where is it?
Tonle Sap, large lake in Cambodia.
I never been there.
This is Angkor Wat.
Yeah, I go on. Very famous.
Yeah, very famous.
The one that
Working on now.
some classical points.
Is that tea? Yeah, the champagne and the food, and then I'm gonna put the teapot here.
Okay.
I'll be done by the end of the day. I'll show you.
The end of the day.
Yeah, probably.
Maybe you can run it when you have lunch or something.
Exactly.
When you finish the per village, you have more time, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can pay some good price today, right?
Yeah. That's it. That's all so far. The rest is just writing.
About today,
Not yet. Today will be here.
we be draw the kingdom.
Yeah.
You have cooking free there, half for free, so maybe it's good to find a kingdom.
Yeah. I often draw later the next day. Yeah.
I want to see today. Take a
I'll
picture
send you a
and then
WhatsApp. Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah, send it. Great art.
It's a very good idea. Thank you.
Yeah, lovely. The first one I saw you that friend painted it.
Yeah.
So special.
It's so much fun, honestly. I'm gonna keep doing it. It's great.
Because maybe in the future have your next generation, they can.
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
Pictures and pictures.
Maybe they have better than pictures.
Yeah.
Because they have no time to go somewhere. Maybe they can read it. Like a book.
Yeah.
And maybe your book can popular of the world. I can read it again.
I hope so.
We can buy it.
That's right.
Absolutely. All right, thank you.